This company has changed the way people shop for furniture. With a staggering revenue of 48 billion euros in 2023, they have taken a customer's furniture shopping journey to the next level. The history of IKEA began in Sweden in 1943. The goal of the company's founder was to improve the living conditions for many people and not just wealthy few. Furniture that is affordable and well designed is the result of this mindset. The primary goal of IKEA is to make better every day for many people. This translates to reasonably priced, fashionable furniture. IKEA made the move in India in 2016, a market that has huge potential. However, this move came with its own set of problems. Overcoming difficulty including understanding regional preferences, modifying products offerings and negotiating difficult laws. They were aware about that Indian desire styles without going over budget. Thus they went beyond simply setting up shops and customized their products to suit regional preferences. IKEA created a collection that seems customized for Indian households, featuring everything from low-height dining tables to decor with a strong cultural connection. Their store still had the recognizable IKEA design with a change. By showcasing room arrangement, they helped clients to picture the ideal environment. IKEA jumped into social media with relatable content, understanding the digital pulse of India and catching the dreams of young families that aspire to elegant living. IKEA's advertising focused more on realistic dreams than hard pictures. For urban Indians, better living, small spaces became a catchphrase that offered deeply meaningful space maximizing advice and design trends. IKEA experienced a remarkable 42% gain in income, rising from 1100 crore in 2019 to 1700 crore in 2023. IKEA expanded quickly. As seen by 5 to 7% market share, it captured in India for organized furniture despite its relative popularity. In 2024, IKEA's tactics are still changing. IKEA provides customers the best of both worlds with its multi-channel strategy which smoothly combines online and offline experience. IKEA's focus on the environment communicates a new generation for environmentally concerned consumers in India where eco-awareness is growing. IKEA is strengthening its relationship with its audience by collaborating regional designers and craft people to produce collection that honors India's rich history. IKEA's story in India is not just of one of the furniture sales, it is also of one of the creativity and adaptability. They have cracked the code of Indian dreams, offering trendy alternatives at reasonable cost and integrating community and sustainability into their brand image. Have you visited an IKEA store? If so, which location did you explore? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more capitative business stories.